I'm very excited that Artistico is happening again. This time in Kodaikanal. By the way, I'm Sahiba and this is Yashu, and we are on a walk to plan our next retreat in Kodaikanal
on Feb 14, 15, 16.
Yes, so there's enough time for you guys to plan. And this amazing video is being shot by Yash,
who is also one of the facilitators this time.
Yes.
I think just initially, like in Coorg, the hills were small. Going to a bigger hill and moving in the bigger
mountain energy, explore movement and dance and body work.
Last retreat, we had a lot of moving in the nature and also exploring the elements of nature, which is fire, air, earth.
I think that gives a really nice improvisation quality to how we are moving, why we are moving, what is moving us.
Yeah.
The intention, motivation behind movement. And this time we have a lot of things lined up like axis understanding, circularity understanding, breath work, journaling, release technique, partner work. And we are going really deep into the nuances and nitty-gritties of movement. Which is something that we really want to explore, and the best part is that you don't need prior experience in movement or dance to do this, so everybody is welcome.
It's open to everybody, there's no levels to it. Anybody can come who's a non-mover, who's a mover, who's a dancer, anybody can do this.
And especially if you love Kodaikanal, we love it.
Yeah.
We absolutely love Kodaikanal. Our last retreat in Coorg was also very nice because we love retreats in mountains and the energy of the nature coming together with dance, and nothing can be better than Kodaikanal.
Yeah. And I also think that if you really want to like get into your own center and understand that, this is the best place to actually come and explore.
Yes.
And understand yourself a little more deeper.
Yeah. And we are doing this with a lot of heart, and we are really planning it to the team, and we really want to build this whole idea of stepping out in the nature and then connecting with the body and with ourselves and with other people.
Yeah. Like I know, like there are a lot of people who are doing this, the aspect of wellness and yoga and all of that, but I think doing a dance retreat is something very new, and I don't think anybody has been doing it, and it's a new exploration of art. I think it'll just be fun if everybody around and explores it with us.
Yes, we're inviting everybody with open arms. Also, I just feel like the language of healing or getting to know ourselves deeper or connecting or just feeling that lightness in ourselves is a silent language. It doesn't require words. So we don't do this whole big thing with words or whatever. We just want to go deep into the body and out of the mind into the body, and then see how we are experiencing that change and that shift. And that shift is beautiful on a mountain, around nature.
That's true.
So for a transformational experience, reach out to us. We are going to Kodai in Feb.
Yes. People must be wondering who this Artistico retreat is for.
That's a good question. So, if we talk about it particularly, who is it for? So, to keep it inclusive, it's for everyone. And the only requirement is that you need to be 18 plus. You need to be ready to find the connection between the mind and the body. And what's the best place to be in the mountains to do something like this, where you need to find the connection? You need to be in a place which is serene, calm, be composed, and at the same time you can move also. So Kodaikanal, the hills in south that we have.
Princess of Hills.
Yeah. So nobody knows better than you. That's the best place I guess we can go. And it'll be a life-changing experience. It'll be a 3-day retreat filled with a lot of activities and communities and like-minded people who are on the same journey that you would like to go through. So yeah, it'll be a life-changing experience that one will cherish all over their life. And yeah, so we would welcome everyone. We'll try it. It'll be an experience that you'll carry with yourself and you can share with your friends as well. Yeah, so you should go for it!
Yes.
Sahiba, I was wondering, like, we're doing this retreat, but people would have this question that what would they get out of it?
Yeah, that's true. I mean, I think when people are moving from their city life for 3 days to the hills, to the mountain, they really need to know, and especially with strangers, right? I understand that. It's very important to know exactly what are we going to be doing and what are we going to be getting out of this. So firstly, for anybody who wants to get out of their mind and into their body, and they really, really want to experience that mind and body connection, this is the retreat. Also, if people want to build deeper connections which are not just based on words only, but actual skill building together. In this case, it would be about movement and dance and body work. I think that is very important.
Main thing is like being in cities, we have been like away from the nature, right? And we have forgot the connection between the mind and the body. So my whole thing is surrounding between finding the connection.
Yes.
And as we know that body remembers, we think that mind we can like memorize everything, but body also keeps account.
Yeah.
And once you start moving, you just like surprise yourself.
Step out and completely cut ourselves from all the distractions of the city and then do something meaningful. With strangers, even better. We get to meet ourselves at a much deeper level with other people who don't know us, and over a period of time get to know us. February 14th, 15th, 16th is Artistico. Just remember the dates and reach out to us.
One thing that we can guarantee in this retreat is that the comfort of the stay is going to be brilliant, and it's going to be very cold in the hills, and with all that temperature and stuff, we have really comfortable stays, which is very hygienic, and we are going to put people according to their comfort.
Yes. Yeah, I think because it's also very important to understand that there would be women traveling alone. We want women to travel alone. We are going to be there. We wanted the stay to be comfortable for everybody, and we wanted the stay to be very safe also. So it is going to be a twin sharing or a triple sharing room with an attached toilet, very comfortable, really, really nice quilts, mattresses, and in a very, very beautiful spot, and also not in the middle of the city where it's very loud. So yeah.